Hi, today I'll be doing a detailed review of the Lloyds ULTRA Credit Card, what it is, how it works, who it's for, and whether it truly deserves the title of one of the best cashback cards that are available. If you're looking for one of the simplest and most competitive cashback cards in the UK right now, then today's video is for you. Let's get started. So first things first, the Lloyds ULTRA Credit Card is a cashback focused credit card from Lloyds Bank that's designed to keep things simple, affordable, and practical. Unlike premium cards that focus on travel perks or luxury benefits, the Ultra card is built around one core idea. It gives users cash back on everyday spending without charging fees. That's important because many cashback cards in the UK either charge you an annual fee, cap how much cashback you can earn, or make rewards overly complicated. The Lloyds Ultra avoids all of that. It's positioned as an everyday card, something you can use for groceries, for bills, online shopping, subscriptions, and even spending abroad, while quietly earning cashback in the background. Another key point here is accessibility. This card isn't marketed as an elite or premium product. Instead, it's aimed at people who want a straightforward cashback rate, no ongoing fees, and flexibility for both UK and international spending. Let's head on right now to the main features of the card. Cashback on every purchase. The headline feature is the cashback, and that's where the Ultra card really stands out. You earn 1% cashback on all card purchases that you make in your first year from account opening, and after that you earn 0.25% on all spending. There is no foreign exchange fees that are associated with this card, and there is no cap on how much you can earn. So you don't need to worry about spending categories, rotating bonuses, or limits. Every eligible purchase earns cashback. It's as simple as that. Here's another thing to note though. Cashback is paid once per year, usually as a lump sum. It is paid into your account in January, even though it will show on your monthly statements. So this card is more about long-term value rather than instant monthly rewards. And as earlier mentioned, there are no foreign transaction fees. That's a big win if you travel or shop online internationally. So when you use the Lloyds ULTRA credit card abroad or in a foreign currency, Lloyd doesn't charge foreign transaction fees. Most credit cards add around 2 to 3% on top of overseas spending, so avoiding that can save you a lot over time. Also, there are no monthly account fees. You enjoy all of these account benefits with no monthly fee. No cash withdrawal fees as well. That's another standout feature, both in the UK and abroad. However, this comes up with a warning. Interest starts immediately on cash withdrawals. So while it's useful in emergencies, it's not something you want to use regularly unless you repay it quickly. Now let us talk about the pricing. No annual fee as earlier mentioned, no foreign transaction fees, no Lloyds fees on cash withdrawals, and there's a representative APR variable of 12.9%, which is relatively low compared to many cashback cards. What are the pros and cons of using the Lloyds ULTRA credit card? First, the pros. Strong 1% cashback during the first year. Cashback applies to all spending, not just selected categories. There are no annual or monthly fees, there are no foreign transaction fees, and there's no cap on cashback earnings. How about the cons? The cashback drops significantly after the first year, from 1% to 0.25%, and the cashback is paid annually, not monthly. There are no premium perks like travel insurance or lounge access. So having considered all this, is Lloyds ULTRA Credit Card one of the best cashback options available right now? For most everyday spenders, yes, it absolutely is, because this card shines because it keeps costs low, it keeps rewards simple, and avoids the usual cashback traps like caps and fees. If you want a card that you can use daily in the UK and also abroad without thinking too much about it, the Ultra does exactly what it promises. Although it's not perfect, if you're someone who wants high ongoing cashback long term, or you want a monthly reward payout or premium travel perks, then this card might feel a bit basic after the first year. But for people who value simplicity, flexibility, and the no fees option, the Lloyds ULTRA credit card stand out as one of the most balanced and practical cashback cards on the market. And that's it on the review of the Lloyds ULTRA credit card. If you're looking to try other alternatives, you may explore Barclays Rewards credit card, Santander Cashback, and Chase UK Cashback card. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and share if you found it helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates.